got an amazing one cooked up for you today. Just been a brewing all week, right? So I'd like to talk about comedy and marketing. And it's a fine line, right? And so it's not easy for every marketer to have a really good personality or to be really outgoing. And number two and or maybe three, I don't even know, but to just be funny altogether. So it is really hard for somebody to be like, oh, let's just be funny. But then you got the corporate guys that are all suit and tie. They're like, and it's all fake laughs and all this bullshit. But a really great way to be funny is to be a little bit edgy. So how do we do this? So for example, you could go to a meme generator and you could literally create your own memes. Now, of course, if you're doing social media management, I would of course have already checked this off with the owner or the gatekeeper, whoever's your handler pretty much, whatever. Point is you want to know exactly what you can say and what you can't say by basically building like a brand word guide. Words to say, taglines to use, stuff we don't use. Because once again, I get it. Marketing doesn't really change all that much, but it does by industry. So, and especially in different niches as well. I might be an amazing marketer in XYZ, but if I get dropped into something else over here, I might not be super strong. However, learning the company's brand words guides, like pretty much a list of positives and negatives, words to say, words we don't, industry words, industry do's and industry don'ts. But anyways, what you don't need is a bunch of not funny people on your team. So I like meme generators. They're hilarious. I also like to use like remove.bg. Now this is something you can access from your phone. You can throw a photo in it. You can get an amazing cutout picture of yourself. You can use it to remove backgrounds and stuff like that. I mean, you could even try on a logo. Good luck. But I like to get my cutout for my logo with this, or I like to normally get a good cutout of the owner or some of the key people in the company, right? Pre-discussed when I have this like brand guide talk and I talk about words to say, words we don't, I also ask if I can make some funny content or to like make some stuff like calling them out, not like calling them out like that, but like just some funny memes, okay? And whether it's like inside jokes for the company or for like the customers, either way, it's hilarious to start one using cutouts of key people in the company. That's one way. I mean, obviously you don't want to like call them out, but making funny memes is a good way to do this. So that should give you a good example of just one thing that I really like to make. And like, I don't always get to do this with every company. You would believe how not funny people are once you get to the details, okay? When you're like, okay, great, but I hope you figured out on your words with the company, like, hey, what we can say, what we cannot. But either way, the whole point of this is meme generator, cutouts of people, slap them together on funny memes, popular memes. Now, you don't just want to grab any old meme that's like old and outdated. You want to kind of look at some of the like top trending memes, and you could do this by doing a simple Google search. And literally, you would be surprised at what you don't think would be funny, but once you start looking at the popular memes, and then you make them blank, or you upload them into Photoshop, and you just use that magic eraser or paint over some stuff and just slap a cutout of the owner's face on there, you wouldn't believe how funny it gets using like top 10 trending memes or something, right? Boom, slap, done, right? So I like to tell you this because exactly this. I've always believed that big personality sells, being authentic sells, and if you can be funny, even just a little bit, if you have like no personality and you're not outgoing and you're like, I'm like the most boring dude, bruh. Like, I think that maybe you should make some funny memes and at least make a few people laugh. And I'm telling you, what's really good about this is I've always believed that if you're genuine and authentic, but at the end of the day, if I can make you laugh, I can make a deal. Or if I can make you laugh, I can make a sale. Okay, so I firmly believe in this. Okay, so I would try adding comedy to your marketing routine and get creative. And I hope today's few examples with few different options that I let you guys and showing you what I'm doing for my clients over here is really going to help you be funny in your marketing and get more sales. Until next time, guys. Check out my private group. It's called Basic to Boss as we start growing this community and start bringing this, just exploding the way we do marketing for creative agencies, service-based businesses, photographers, videographers, you name it. I've helped multiple 6 and 7 figure businesses, so I know it works, and I can help you transform your life and go from basic to boss with a high income skill set to get clients, master high ticket sales, and sell out your services. That's what this is about, but it is only for the men and women who want to dominate local business, not compete. So if that's you, I'll see you in the private group, link in the description, and until then, be funny, guys.